Okay, we are getting ready for our first camping trip in the new 4Runner. This is the 2021 TRD Pro, and we're going to take a family of 5 on this trip. And just want to show you guys, we've got our Dometic fridge, which takes up a little more space than I would have thought. But obviously that's going to work out great for keeping everything nice and cool. We've plugged it in overnight. And now we're going to fit a family of 5 for a long camping weekend. So this is our camping gear. We've got our very large tent, 5 cots, which we've got stacked up here. We've got our camping chairs, our necessities for the ladies' toilet. We've got our cooking gear, which we'll show a little bit later, our little campfire pit. Each of these little bags over here has our sleeping gear, sleeping pads, lights, camera, our camping table, chairs, cook stand, picnic porch, hammocks, tie downs, fuel, all the good stuff. So I'm gonna show you guys in the next clip exactly how this fits in the 2021 TRD Pro. Okay, we've got it all loaded up now. A little bit more on the top roof rack than I expected. So we wound up getting the tent on this side, and then a couple of our bigger chairs, which my wife likes as more comfortable chairs, we wound up putting on this side over here. So you can see we got 2 more over there, a couple tie down straps. I will note, when you get the TRD Pro rack, if you're using this style, this bar that you're seeing, or actually I should say this more upper bar, they wind up sticking up here on the top. And so it's pretty easy to adjust. It's got a couple twist ties here. Open those up, put the bar back where you need it, tighten it back down. So got the bars all flush, put my 3 pieces here, a couple tie downs to hold it in place. Eventually I'll probably add, you know, the more waterproof carrier, but for now this is working really well. And then all those supplies you just saw, we've got those now loaded in here. So left room and space for the fridge, so we've still got that easily accessible. And then we've got all the camping supplies now. So right before we take off, I'll just add last little bit of cargo net, and we should be good to go. And you'll notice we still have all the seating room in the rest of the interior of the car. We've got our protector for the dogs, but we'll still be able to seat all 5 folks. Not too bad of an obstructive view, but I'm pretty impressed we got it all packed in there. So excited for the trip. Next stop, I'll show you guys all of that coming back out and the full camp setup for a family of 5 using the 4Runner TRD Pro. Okay, here we are. We got camp set up. Truck's mostly emptied out. We're able to get our 10-man tent set up. Got our camp kitchen. Kids obviously got the hammocks going. Got our remaining cooking food fridge gear. Camp table, a couple chairs, rockers, wood grill, jumbo hammock in the back. And then we've got our full tent set up. All of our cots. All ready for the evening. All right.